Wait for me, I'm coming.
Friend, you're right. You gotta move out of the way.
What'd I do with mine? Over on the bench with I'm not funds.
Is this gonna drip all over?
It says you can't do it with beer. It said right on there. You
Pull
could-
your
It
facial
didn't have it
right
in
out.
English,
Elizabeth, you're
but I
standing
read
right
it in
in
the
front of
Korean
the
Oh,
section.
this red ginseng is terrible
I
smelling.
told you, friend, you guys keep standing in front of the camera. Do not know how to not do that.
Is it videoing?
Yes.
I didn't know you had a camera running.
I told you.
I
Then
didn't
you
listen.
gotta drip all over
unfold.
everything.
That's what I'm wondering.
No. Unfold it. I can't even get it out.
It's got eye holes.
It's got Does holes. it? It's got eye holes and
It
a
smells
nose. Ew.
disgusting.
This is mine is the one that's
It's drippy. Am I gonna get this on my shirt?
Yeah, No, will this it's wreck my fine. shirt? No. This is disgusting.
Ew. It's so nasty. You sure you don't want to do this?
I think I'm gonna throw it. It smells so gross.
It was such a nasty consistency.
That's creepy.
You look like a one of those.
I can't get mine apart.
Me either.
It's a skin mask. That's gross. Oh my word.
What is this? Oh, the nose thing.
You look like a Mexican wrestler.
You look like a luchador.
Hey, what did we watch?
Nacho Libre.
Nacho Libre.
Don't you need a mirror to get it on?
My roommate chased me around with the camera the first time I did this. Ah! I
You look like Jack Frost.
And then you just gotta smooth it down.
Disgusting. Ew, it's on my face.
You can't laugh though. I need a mirror. I can't even get mine
You
apart.
guys look pretty.
There you go.
No, it keeps wrinkling.
Okay, go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Right on the eyes.
There you go.
You wreck my hair, my beautiful hair.
This is
It's gonna
freezing.
cleanse
It's
it.
cold!
It's gonna be extra cleansed.
I'm
Making my eyes water. Ew, it's on my face.
I want to get it off.
Ew. Yeah.
Why are we
Why would anyone in their right mind do this?
keep your mouth closed? It stays on.
To my mouth.
Oh.
Certain times you shouldn't talk
You guys are freaking out.
It's all wrinkled.
That's it.
You look like you're getting your makeup done for a horror movie. It's like your fake face.
It's touching me more.
I want to take it off. No, 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes.
It's gonna be rock solid.
I don't try that much.
Have you done this before?
Yes, I had like 20 of these.
Doesn't this make my eyes look scary?
Yeah.
terrified.
That's so great.
Ooh, I'm sorry, I just look frightening in this.
Keep your mouth closed when you're laughing.
Get it turning my eyes. No, wait, that's my mascara.
Gosh.
You don't know what you're missing, John. I'm telling you what.
If I could just be as pretty as you guys
Oh
right
my
now.
gosh. Beauty knows no pain,
Is this
John.
ever
No.
dry?
It never completely dries. Oh.
I put
My eyes
the
hurt.
timer on. We still got 8 minutes. Oh no, I only put the timer for 10.
Fran.
Okay, when it goes off, we'll go 5 more.
Oy, 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 oy. This is just straight up nasty.
It's a big black streak running down your face.
My mascara's burning my eyes. But seriously, I can't see.
You look like you're 85 years old with that thing on.
I'm fixing the mustache here.
What is this supposed to do?
I don't know. It's supposed to be
Recording.
good for your face and your skin.
Wait, that or this?
This.
No.
It's supposed to be good for your skin. I don't know.
I feel like this is not good for me at all.
Wow.
Listen out. Listen out.
And I'm getting a little bit of my.
Your hair is underneath it.
So it's yours on the sides.
Yeah. You look terrifying. I hate looking at you.
I'm making love.
I know.
I think my eyes are allergic to that
You look
mascara.
so ridiculous.
Ugh, that was terrible.
It's not flattering. I'm telling you what.
You're scary. That's scary.
What do you think you look like? What do you mean?
I can't see me.
Gosh. What do you think I feel?
Oh my god.
Your feet. No, I'm breathing it Listen, you're just completely falling off.
That's because I had to take it off and re-put it on.
Who brought the diaper?
Do these ever dry?
No. You just leave them on. But I'm sure they're not working because we laugh and pull them off our faces. You're just like such a mess.
Because I had to take it off and get my mascara out of my eyes.
Oh,
You look like a Santa Claus.
We need to take a picture, guys.
Yours is falling off.
Why is this stinging my face?
That means it's working.
Okay, are we gonna stop the video and take a picture?
Oh, I was gonna just take a picture of somebody's phone.
Oh,
Oh, where's my phone?
John, can you take a picture?
Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah.
John, are you getting amusement out of this?
I'm gonna have to read my Bible before bed tonight.
Mom, get in the picture.
Why?
Oh my gosh, you look
I can't even
She's
see
just like standing there real calm.
frightening looking.
And it makes it more frightening.
I gotta pull my dress. I can't do this. Where are you terrified?
Oh
Are
my
we
gosh.
smiling or
How
not?
do you smile? Your mouth's supposed
No,
to
you
be
don't.
closed.
Okay, ready? I mean, I guess it doesn't matter.
Bad,
You guys.
Be my Halloween costume if I was into Halloween, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Grandma, why are theirs so wrinkly and ours aren't?
Because Elizabeth took hers off and put it back on. And Mom just sucks at it.
You look so scary.
Whose face is it supposed to fit though? It's like it was a perfect circle.
Oh my gosh. I'm sending this.
To
Facebook
where?
it to me. Facebook.
I'm not Facebooking you. What if I actually post it somewhere?
Email it to me. I gotta send it to the students who gave me it.
You gotta send it to me too.
Oh, don't worry. I'll know what to do with it.
Blackmail for the rest of my life.
Wedding slideshow.
We are not doing any multimedia productions.
I am.
We are now.
Oh boy.
Look at the beautiful bridesmaid. Look at the bride.
Probably can stop the video now. The interesting stuff is over.
How long has it been?
Except every time my mom comes out. I don't think I can handle it.
How do I stop it?
The red button.